x equals the square root of 7, y equals -5, and z equals 1/8. With all of these values in mind, calculate the value of x squared minus 24yz plus y squared. To solve this, we need to perform a series of substitutions and then simplify. So anywhere we see an x, we're going to put in a square root of 7. Anywhere we see a y, we're going to put in a -5. And anywhere we see a z, we're going to substitute in 1/8. So let's see that in motion. So x squared needs to be square root of 7 squared minus 24 times y, which is -5, times z, which is 1/8. And finally, plus y, again, y is -5 squared. And now we just need to simplify all of this. Let's go from left to right. Taking the square root of a number and squaring a number are inverse operations of each other. So they will completely cancel each other out, leaving us with just 7. And very quickly, I'll kind of show you the behind the scenes of why that is. If you're taking the square root of a number, that is the same thing as raising that number to the half power, right? And so then if you're on top of that, squaring that square root, what's going to happen is you'll have 7 to the 2/2 power, which will just give you 7 to the 1 power. And anything to the 1 power is just itself. So that is why we end up with just a plain old 7 after we square a square root. Moving on to our middle piece, 24 times -5 times 1/8. Distributive property says we can do this multiplication in any order that we want, so I'm going to suggest we do 24 times 1/8 first. So we'll have 24 over 8 times -5. 8 goes into 24 3 times, so we can simplify that to 3 times -5, which will give us -15. Subtracting the negative is the same as adding a positive, so this is actually 7 plus 15, plus, let's bring down our third piece, -5 squared. Squaring a number is multiplying that number to itself, so we've got -5 times -5. 5 times 5 gives you 25. Two negatives multiplied together will give you a positive, so in the end we'll have 7 plus 15 plus 25. Let's start by doing 25 plus 15. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 40. Then add 7, and you will get 47. Answer choice.